Worksheet number 4, chapter 3, lesson 4 and 5 and 6. The first one, he gave you this graph and he asked you name the shortest segment from the point K to the line segment LN. We said before, any shortest segment must be perpendicular to the line from K. If we draw a perpendicular, so this line segment will be the shortest. So from K, where is the perpendicular? It's perpendicular to LM. So KM is the shortest segment from K to the line LM. This is the shortest side. Okay. Write and solve. So he asked you two things. Write and solve. Write and solve an inequality for x. So we need to write the inequality. We said this is the shortest side. So it must be less than the length of any side from K. X plus 5 less than 14. X plus 5 less than 14. Solve mean we need to isolate x. So you must get rid of 5. So subtract 5 from both of sides. X less than 14 minus 5, so x less than 9. Okay. The second question, such as the same idea for the first one. He gave you this graph and Q is a point out from the line GH. So we said the shortest segment, it must be perpendicular from this point to the line. This is perpendicular. So the shortest is the line segment QH. This is the shortest segment. So x minus 2 must be greater than 9. So just the shortest segment from Q to the line GH is the line segment QH. Okay, how can we write the line the inequality? X minus 2 must be greater than the perpendicular line segment to the line. So it must be less than 9. So x less than 9 plus 2, it will be 11. So x less than 11. Understood? Number 5. He give you this graph. We have two lines. And this is the transversal. Why this is transversal? T is transversal. Why? Because it T intersecting with the other two lines. Okay. So he gave you angle 1 congruent to angle 2. And the line S perpendicular to the line T. Proof the line R perpendicular to the line T. We will do two columns. The first one, the statements, and the second one, the reason. Angle 1 congruent to angle 2. From where you understood this information, it's given. Excellent. So look at angle 1 and angle 2. It's form a Z shape. Z shape. So they are alternate interior angles. And he gave you another information. They are congruent. So they are alternate interior angles and congruent. What is the result of this? The two lines will be parallel. So are parallel to line S. Why? Converse of alternate interior angles theorem. We said the result of position or relation and congruent for these angles lead to parallel. The two lines will be parallel. ST perpendicular to T. S perpendicular, the line S perpendicular to the line T. From where? It's given. Okay, concentrate. What do you have now? We prove the two lines parallel. And the transversal perpendicular for one of the, or perpendicular to one of them. So, of course, the transversal perpendicular to the second one. Why? By perpendicular transversal theorem. Excellent. Why? They are parallel. So if the transversal perpendicular to one, it will be perpendicular to the second one. So the line R perpendicular to the line T. Why? Perpendicular transversal theorem.